Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. I hope you guys are doing good, you guys are doing safe at your homes. The second wave of corona is hitting us really badly in India, and please stay safe guys, stay at home, go out only if it's really urgent. Otherwise please don't go out, don't go for any kind of walks. Please take care of yourself and your family, and yeah, please take care. I just wanted to talk to you guys about something. So it's been quite some time. I never had a schedule of my videos. So whenever I used to get time, I used to shoot the videos, I used to edit them, and then I used to upload them whenever I used to get time. So I realized it lately that I need to have a schedule for my videos so that it becomes easier for you and me. So I have decided my schedule, and you will see my videos on every Saturday at 7 p.m. Please keep a note of it guys. Every Saturday my videos will go live at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So stay tuned. I have a lot of interesting content coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So today I'm here and I'm going to share my opinion and my reviews on Nat Habit. It's a very interesting company that has come up with India's first fresh skincare products, and I was so excited when I heard about it. But initially it kept their products restricted only to Delhi because they have their kitchen or their office in Delhi. But now they have started shipping their products to Mumbai and other cities as well, and can't get any happier. So I was very excited. So I recently ordered products from Nat Habit, and I have used them, and here I'm going to share my reviews for those products. So Nat Habit is a very new company that started few months back, and they have a good range of skincare products. They have their face scrubs, they have face mask, they have hair mask, they have lots of serums, and they also have serums and oils which are coming in. However, some products are still restricted only to Delhi owing to the shelf life. So let's talk about the packaging guys. I'm taking this first product which is the Fresh Exfoliating Mura. It's basically their pumpkin clay magic. It's the deep skin detox. So if you see the front side of the packaging, they have mentioned the name of the product and how many ingredients have been used, like the power ingredients have been used, and also refrigerant. And if you go to the back side of the product, they have mentioned all the power ingredients, plus they have also mentioned one-liner effectiveness of each ingredient, which I really like. It's kind of knowledge sharing. You get to know what are you using, what each ingredient is doing to your face, to your skin, which I really like. Also they have mentioned the application of usage, how to use that, plus they have also given you an estimate of you can use it daily for 1 minute, and they have mentioned the price and stuff. I'll be mentioning the complete name of the product, the MRP of the product, and also all the products I got it at some or the other minimum discount. So I'm also going to mention that after discount for how much I got it. And they have also mentioned that you need to use it within 30 days from the manufacture date. So this particular product was manufactured on 12th April. In fact, all the products are manufactured on 12th April, and you need to use it by 12th of May. So because these are natural kitchen ingredients products, so you need to use it as soon as possible. So yeah, that was about the packaging. So let's talk about the first product. So this is the first product. It's basically their exfoliating Mura. The Mura is nothing but it's a cleanser cum scrub, and it has pumpkin and so many amazing ingredients in it. So they do have different options for Mura. So I got the pumpkin one. So there was another one, I don't remember exactly. So I got the pumpkin one, and it's so good. So I'm going to show you how this particular product looks. So this is how the product looks like guys. It looks exactly like a cream, and it smells so good. So I've used this particular product a couple of times. I took some product and I applied it gently all over my face, and I start rubbing it after 1-2 minutes, and then I washed it off with cold water, and this product was really good. I felt a smoother and a softer skin. Thumbs up for this particular Mura. So next two products, if you can see, are facial Uptons. So this is the cucumber facial upton, and this one is the rose facial upton. Now both these products are really great. So basically it's just like a face mask or a face pack, guys. You need to apply it all over your face evenly, and then after 10 to 15 minutes, when it gets completely dried, you need to wash off the face. What I really like about this product, it did not leave my face dry, so there was a good moisturization on my face after I washed it off, which I really like, guys. And these two products, again, they smell so good, and I got a very clean and a softer face after I washed it off. Now these products, they look kind of same, so I'm going to show you how these products look. This one is the Delicate Rose Facial Upton. So they have some scrub particles in them, so when you apply it, automatically your face gets scrubbed, so which I really like. And then you just need to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off, and this again smells so good. I really like it. Next one is the Cucumber Crush. It looks more or like same as the rose one. I mean, the color is kind of same. So this is how it looks like. It smells so fresh, and since it has cucumber plus it's kept in the refrigerator, so it already gives you a very cooling effect when you apply it. So this is how this looks like. So this one is the Cucumber Facial Upton. It again has some scrub particles in them, so you actually scrub off the face when you apply it, which I really like again. The next product is the Fresh 2-minute bath upton. So this is for your body. Now this is a basic upton which I really like. It was quite good. Now it has wild turmeric, so since it has turmeric, it gave the body a good glow. You need to apply it normally, you need not apply soap after that, and my body actually felt quite cleansed after I used this particular product. So thumbs up for this product as well. I really like it. So I'm just going to show to you how it looks like. So all the products they look really the same. So this is the Wild Turmeric Body Upton. Again, it has some scrub particles which actually scrubs the body when you apply it, so really good. So the next product which I'm literally out, it's completely over. It's a hair mask, guys, and I've applied this product today. This was the smallest size which I got for my hair mask, and this is the Nat Habit Crush Tri-Leaf hair mask. I'm literally out of this product and I've applied it today, so you guys can see. I really loved this hair mask. Trust me, I'm not a big fan of hair mask. I have not applied hair masks so much. I'm really happy with the oils I apply, and then but I was really happy trying out this hair mask. This actually conditioned my hair really well. So this is the Tri-Leaf hair mask, guys. You just need to apply this hair mask, leave your hair for around 30 minutes, and then you just need to wash it off. You need to apply shampoo twice because the hair mask contains oil, so when you apply, you will get to know that it's kind of oily. It has a oily texture in it, so you need to apply shampoo twice, but you did not apply conditioner. So I did apply shampoo twice, but I did not apply conditioner. So this is how my hair looks. I think I really like the product overall. It feels really good. So yeah, that is it, I guess. Overall, I absolutely love Nat Habit and all the products which I have used so far. And because A, they are cruelty free, they are chemical free, they are all natural. B, they are very affordable, guys. I think it's very affordable, and since it's natural, you need to give it a try. I would love to give Nat Habit a thumbs up from my side. They are doing a wonderful job. Their products are really good. Like, I'm super impressed with all the products so far, and I will be definitely buying more products from Nat Habit. The only thing which concerns me is the shelf life of the products. It's just 30 days, guys, so you need to refill your stock again and again. So yeah, so it's not that you have got once and then you can keep it for 6 months. For every product you need to finish it off in 15 days or 30 days. So that is the only thing which concerns me. Apart from that, I think Nat Habit is doing a wonderful job. Your products are really good. Keep on going, and I can't wait to use more skincare from Nat Habit. So yeah, I think that is it for today, guys. Let me know your favorite product from all the 5 products, and if you have used some other products from Nat Habit, please comment down below. I would love to hear reviews, and if you want to recommend me any other product from Nat Habit, please do that also. I will definitely go ahead and try them. Yeah, guys, I think that is it for today. If you love this video, if you love this review, please love the video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.